Top 7 Best Monitor for Blender 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Gigabyte Aero 15. Animator's laptop requires a great display to properly create high-quality content using Blender. Well, this is what the Gigabyte Aero 15 offers. It features a 15-inch 4K AMOLED display that can deliver vivid colors and sharp images, as well as outstanding refresh rates. This will provide you with great images, making it easier for you to create and edit images, videos, or even 3D modeling. But a great screen is nothing without the right specs, which is why the Aero 15 comes with a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD hard drive. The laptop also features the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, providing you with a power that matches the great screen. Number 6. Asus TUF Gaming. For a high-performing laptop, you might want to consider the Asus TUF Gaming. Despite its name, it's a laptop that can also be used for other things because of its powerful specs, good display, and overall great features. This model features the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H, which is a powerful CPU capable of delivering great performance. It's paired with 16 GB of RAM and SSD 1 TB storage. The device also comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics. These are amazing specs that many video editors and 3D animators will love. This laptop can easily run demanding programs and software, as well as perform a variety of tasks without any hiccups. Number 5. Acer Predator Trident 500. A faster refresh rate is what the Acer Predator Trident 500 offers with its NVIDIA G-Sync technology. The technology synchronizes the refresh rate of the display with the GPU to provide a faster refresh rate and eliminate lag or display stutter. This is not only good for playing games but also for editing videos and even creating high-quality 3D animations. But the great thing about this laptop is that the great display is paired with great specs as well. The Trident 500 features a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. It also comes with the GeForce RTX 2070 Super, which will allow you to perform all tasks and run many demanding programs or software without any issue. Number 4. Razer Blade 15. One of the sleekest looking laptops on this list is the Razer Blade 15. It features an all-black design, including the inside, with only the green Razer logo at the back, the USB 3.0 type of ports, and the RGB backlit keyboard providing the color contrast. This laptop is also durable with its all-aluminum unibody, making it sturdy and not easily break from minor bumps and bruises. But aside from a sleek and durable design, the laptop also features amazing specs. It comes with a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage space. It also features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card, providing you with a powerful laptop that can run any program and perform any tasks. Number 3. Alienware M15. If you're looking for a unique-looking laptop, then you might want to take a look at the Alienware M15. It's a device that makes it look more like it came from a spaceship than an actual laptop, making it one of the unique-looking models on this list. But don't let the unique design distract you from how well built this laptop is. Despite not using metal for its chassis, it feels solid and durable and won't easily break from bumps and bruises. Aside from design and durability, the M15 is also a powerful laptop. The laptop features a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor and the GeForce RTX 2070 Super graphics card. This model also comes with 16 GB of RAM and SSD 1 TB storage. These are amazing specs, and it will easily allow you to use any program or software with this device, including Blender. Number 2. Asus Book Pro Duo. Using two displays will usually increase your productivity And this is what the Asus Book Pro Duo hopes to provide with its 14-inch screen pad on top of the 15.6-inch display that it features. The extra touchscreen is located at the top of the deck and offers a multitude of features. This includes using the display as an extension of the main display to allow you to see better what you're working on. The screen pad also features preset case scenarios like video editing, programming, 2D graphic designing, and gaming. The display also has 4K resolution, allowing for sharp images. But aside from another display, this laptop also features powerful specs. Number 1. MSI GL65 Leopard. Using the Blender software would require a laptop with powerful specs, and you might think you will also need to spend a lot of money on it. Well, the MSI GL65 Leopard will surprise you. It's one of the best laptop models with its powerful specs but at prices that aren't burdensome on the wallet. The laptop features a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB SSD storage space. It also comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card with 8 GB RAM. Those are powerful specs that will easily allow you to use the Blender software and create 3D animation, as well as other things, without any issues or hiccups. It also comes with a good 15.6-inch Full HD display and several USB 3.0 ports for flexibility when it comes to connectivity. So guys, that's all for top 7 best monitor for Blender 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.